The most requested videos on the channel are always related to product research and finding a great product to sell on Amazon. Because literally, it might take you months to find a great product to sell on Amazon. And still, even after all of this research, you might not be 100% sure that the product is going to succeed. So let's get started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider as well as ads agency focused on Amazon in the Middle East. We've supported since 2019 hundreds of sellers on the Amazon platform with both launching their businesses as well as scaling their businesses on Amazon. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a few ways of how you can do product research, but I'm also going to be using a tool called Helium10 and in particular a feature called X-ray so that we can evaluate together whether or not those products could be something potential for you to sell. You'll always find in all of our videos, if you click on the More button and you open the description box, you'll always find training and information, further knowledge that you can acquire about selling on Amazon. So you can do a deeper dive. Let's jump on the computer, but before, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and leave me a like on this video. Method number 1, best sellers. Basically, finding a product on Amazon is quite simple. You can simply go to the best sellers page. Now, best sellers, basically Amazon is going to show you the best sellers, exactly like it says, for each and every category. Not only the main category, but also the subcategory. So quickly you can see the top 4, but if I scroll further, I'm going to be able to see the best 100 sellers out of that main category as well as subcategory. So if these products are best sellers, obviously they're going to be selling very well. So let's click on the kitchen category and see the full category. As we're looking at the best sellers in the main category, but you also have a lot of subcategories that you can look at. And you can get an idea of the products and how much they're doing, what they're selling, what people are selling, what potential opportunities you have to sell similar products on Amazon. Method number 2, the autocomplete. The search result autocomplete to be exact. So you log into Amazon, let's say you have a particular idea of a product that you want to sell. I want to sell towels, for example. So I can type in towels and then I can see actually the number 1 keyword utilized related to towels is towels, bath, cotton. So a towel for bath. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to see what is happening with all of these sellers so that I can understand a little bit more about the product. Method number 3, find it. So basically you found a product maybe online or maybe even on Alibaba. If you log into Alibaba and you go into featured selections, you're going to be able to find the top ranking products, new arrivals, saving spotlights, lots of things. So let's click on the top ranking and that way we'll be able to go and look at all of the top ranking products in multiple categories. Let's look at this category, fruit and vegetable tool. And let's say we found this product, which is quite intriguing. Now, this is just product research, which basically means we found a potential product idea. I've told you about 3 different methods, but what are we going to do in order to validate whether or not these products can be successful? Now, before we continue, I want to remind you that the Amazon Sellers Society has a unique program called the Done For You program, whereby we can help you set up your Amazon business from start to finish, including doing product research on your behalf and finding great products for you to sell, as well as great suppliers. So if you are short on time, or if you don't have the necessary skills, or if you want to do things correctly from the very beginning and avoid making mistakes, then this program is for you. All you need to do in order to find out if you are eligible to enroll is to visit our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, enroll in our program. Basically, the first step is to book a call with our team, find out a little bit more information, And that's it. Of course, you can go directly to the website or you'll find it linked in the description box of this video. Now, in order to validate products that we have found, either through the 3 different methods that I've shown you or random other methods as well, what we need to do is we need to utilize a smart tool. In this case, we're going to be using Helium10. And if you look, Helium10 has a free Chrome extension, by the way, but if you want to use the paid version, remember that we have a great discount code for you that gives you 20% off. You'll find it, as usual, linked in the description box of this video. So if we open the Helium10 extension, what we're going to be utilizing today is X-ray. The concept of X-ray is that it's going to X-ray the page. It's a great name for a feature. So what's going to happen is X-ray is going to see the entirety of everyone selling under the keyword towels, bath, cotton, which I've utilized, which might not be the best keyword really for this product, but I'm going to be able to see what's happening, what the prices are, what the sales are, sales graph, so much information. Let's break it down a little bit here. First and foremost, we're looking at the search volume for the keyword towels, bath, cotton. 69 is very low. So on Amazon UAE, we need a minimum search volume of 300 for the product to be in demand. But do remember that there are lots of different keywords for each and every product. It might be that we just selected a keyword that just doesn't have a lot of demand right now. So as you can see, I clicked on the history and I can look at the history for the past 30 days and I can see that it was maybe a little bit higher, it became a little bit higher, now it's lower. It's not really that great. I can go back 90 days, I can go back 1 year to see what's happening. It's, average search results, maybe they increase by a little bit, but like the highest it's ever been was in April for 215, still not that great, but still, this is how you can visualize it. Now, second, we're gonna look at related keywords. This section right here. First of all, this is an opportunity section. So depending on the criteria that Helium10 is using, it might not be the right criteria for you, but the criteria here shows that this product, 3 of the top 10 products have a revenue over 5,000 dirhams. That's why this is not really a good opportunity product, as highlighted here. Now, as you can see, we're looking at a lot of different products, but the easy thing for you to do is to narrow down whatever you're looking for. Hence, you're able to look at the filter results. So if we click on filter results, then I can filter out anything that I require. Maybe I'm looking for a particular size, maybe I'm looking for a particular price, like I only want to see products that are selling, for example, over 100 dirhams or whatever, if that's your criteria. But one also very essential thing is you can hide all sponsored products, which I highly recommend that you do. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with sponsored products or advertised products, but because they are advertised, it basically means that their results are not organic. And right now, I want to look at real organic results. Now, there's a lot of information that we can look at with X-ray. So as you notice here, for example, for this product, we're able to see how much it's selling, what the selling price is, how many units they're selling on average, which is 290 units per month, not bad at all. We can look at their revenue, their current BSR, their fees, a lot of different information. Of course, you need to do a really deep dive in order to understand not only if there's demand for this product, but you need to figure out whether the competition is something that you're able to compete against. So if we look at this product in particular, it's not going to be very easy for us to compete with because the seller has 3,980 reviews. That's just one metric that we're looking at. The second best seller in this case is actually Amazon with Amazon's Basics. It's not going to be easy to compete with Amazon Basics for sure, but there's not a lot of sellers that are performing very well. It's only 2 or 3. Actually, according to the data here, there's only 3 sellers that are selling above 5,000 dirhams per month. So that's quite interesting. But is it because there's not enough demand, or is it because there's not enough good sellers? That's something that you need to really look at. But one extra thing that I really like is that you can actually check the sales graph. Maybe this product has been having a really great month now as I'm checking it. I want to know the historical data for the sales. So as you can see here, I can look at there's 3 metrics that I can look at: sales, BSR, and reviews. And I can look at the past 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or all time. And as you can notice, I can see how many units the product is selling on average every single day, just to validate whether or not there's something happening this month or this is a product that's been in demand for a while. The product hasn't been on Amazon for a very long time. However, since May, it's been getting these types of sales, which means it's a good performing product. As you notice, there's a lot of different features also that you can use with this particular tool from Helium10. I would highly recommend it to download it. It's a free Chrome extension, but to utilize the rest of the system of Helium10, you would need to subscribe to get all of the features unlocked. Now, let me know if you have any questions related to product research, and if you like this video, then you will love our full and in-depth tutorial about product research. Go ahead and watch it right now. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.